really close.
I'm in linear. I'm in linear,
okay.
so
So you're not actually as close as it looks, because you were very close to my face.
This Tesla is insane. Flying through this track. This thing is raced out. Oh my gosh! Wow! Attaboy, Jeremy. Attaboy. Did you teach him some good things?
I tried.
All right, we'll see if he can apply them at this point now, huh?
So the biggest thing, right? It's easy to get overwhelmed with all the new information. Right? Take two things, just focus on those two things. On the next run, pick two things. It might be the same two things. It might be two different things. Yeah. But just pick two things. Focus on those only. It's so easy to get caught up in I need to do this and this and this, and
right.
You're never
trying to correct the whole run instead of just a couple small bits.
And chances are you're going to also be aware that if I fix this, I'm going to be faster there, and if I'm faster there, I got to go a little bit slower to get up into the next part of it. Right? A lot of times you blow right past it and go, oh, I was cooking. Huh? I don't know how much time we got.
I just ran a 47.1.
Attaboy, that's awesome, man. I was wondering, some of those last few laps that you were doing, man, you were cooking.
Really?
Cooking, it looked like. Dude, and not that there's any comparison here, but watching that, I don't know what type of Camaro it is, the 1,000 horsepower something supercharged,
yeah.
and the Tesla go at it. They are so fast. They come out of those corners and it's like there's no effort to it.
Yep.
They just float right through, and that Tesla, man, watching that thing skip and slide is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh, looks like Steve's up again, so not much time to catch up with him this time around. So we'll catch him with more details of his driving instructor teachings when he gets back out here. So check out this Tesla, man. This thing is gnarly, and of course this Camaro here is just as wicked. We know those guys. Donut Media, what up? Nasty. A ZL1 Camaro, supercharged. I think between the Tesla and this guy, they're probably putting down the fastest times here today. And of course, it doesn't look like much, but that Tesla is done up. Look at all the GoPros on this thing. Got 1, 2, and 3. All right, let's make our way on over, and we'll catch Steve in this next race and see what kind of time he's putting down. No way. That says 52.5. Steve, you killed it. Look at that. Howdy, sir.
Howdy.
Oh, how you doing?
Andy. How are you?
Good. That last lap was close to your last lap that you did? 2 seconds plus faster?
So yeah, the past two, so the last one I shaved 2 seconds off, and then this one was very close again, and that was with 2 mistakes.
Seconds added, hitting a cone or something?
No, didn't hit cones. Just I pushed a little too hard over on the big sweeper over here.
Okay.
And then same coming off the slalom, but that's been an issue a couple of times coming off the slalom. I got too much speed coming off of it, and I need to scrub off a lot more than I can in that short distance.
That makes sense. Do you think it's performance related, or is it something that you think you could correct?
Oh, so he's
running stock
he's really
as you
happy
are.
with like everything I'm doing, all the fundamentals, whatever. He said there's just a few small areas that just need to be cleaned up, and it'll be really good.
Nice. I'm going to point it out because I'm still fascinated. That Tesla, man.
Yeah.
That thing's so nasty.
Because when he comes off the corner, he's not waiting. Like, I'm waiting for the turbo, like, okay, because turbo lag. Like, okay, let's go. He's not waiting for anything.
Power is readily available.
Right now.
On the money. How was the lap with the instructor there? Helpful?
Yeah, I think so.
Any good tips that he provided you that you'd like to share with us?
So through the gates over here, so there's that first left, and then there's the gates before that big sweeper.
Sure.
So through the gates, I was letting off between them. So like as I get to them. So I'm hammer down, get to it, I'm letting off to go through it. He said, don't let off. Hammer down through the whole thing.
Because it's a tighter...
So he said, you don't have to. He said, if you're turning in the right place, which I am. He said, you are. I am.
You.
Yeah. If you're turning at the right place, which I am, I'm not turning too early or doing anything weird. I can just be on the power through the whole thing. So,
nice. So you'll be able to gain some more speed,
some time through there.
Cut some time.
Yeah.
Hopefully be able to make it through that big left U-turn.
Yeah,
though.
so that's, I think, so this last time when he was with me, I hammered down through the whole thing, excuse me, but then I had too much speed in the sweeper, so I need to figure out...
Find that balance.
Yeah, I need to figure out, so I'm hammering down through it, but I need to slow down a little bit sooner, or hammer the brakes a little bit sooner so that I can scrub off just that little bit more speed to carry around the corner.
Nice. Well, you've seen, what, almost 10 seconds in improvement from the time you started today?
Something like
You're
that.
running about a minute a lap, and now you're down to 52 or so? Yeah. Nice. That is cool. Well, do you have any more laps that you're doing today?
Yeah. Yeah, I have at least one more.
Cool. All right. Well, we've gotten some pretty good footage thus far of you, Jeremy, and Herb. Herb. I always want to pronounce his name. Herb. Yeah, Herb. We'll see what else we can capture, and we'll catch up with you guys here in just a second. So I missed actually reading that lap, and I didn't get any footage, but you were throwing a fist out the window like you did good. Did you cut off some time on that?
Another second off.
That's exciting.
So, I think it's pretty heat. So I know it's heat soaked. So one of the things I want to do is a bigger intercooler. So the intercooler on these are a joke. They're ridiculous. It's like this big.
Little tiny thing for the
hilariously tiny core.
Tiny turbo that it had. Wow, that is a massive amount of heat.
Oh yeah, it's
coming up out of this.
Well, I figured it was really heat soaked because I couldn't get it on boost. On
off the line. Yeah, I noticed that
it wouldn't get up on boost. So because you can feel, so as you're on the brake and the accelerator and you get it to build boost off the line, the whole body will actually raise up because it starts to try and pull, but it can't because you're on the brake.
Yeah.
And it wouldn't do it. It wouldn't get up on boost. So
well, that's all right.
Let some heat out.
Yep, definitely. There was a massive amount of heat radiating out of that. And
it's also 100 degrees outside, so that's probably not helping.
Do you have a thermostat in the Mini?
It was like 98 or something.
Oh, gross. Like I thought it was going to be cooler today, but I guess not. Yesterday was beautiful.
The breeze is making it feel nicer than
more pleasant and reasonable.
Until the breeze stops, and then it sucks again.
Indeed. Well, that's exciting. Another second shaved off your time, so you're getting closer to that 10 seconds for the whole day.
Yeah.
from start to finish. Very cool.
We'll see if I can get this thing to cool down a little bit. And
You got what, another race
get up on booth.
that you'll be going?
Probably. I think so. They seem to be pulling everyone back in again.
Excuse me, sir. What did you just say to me?
I was gonna say, when are you gonna come for a ride?
Next lap.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Be ready.
I'll go grab a helmet. See you in a second. That breeze feels amazing.
Yeah, we'll do this. We'll get a little bit more.
Little head ventilation. You know, if you open that up too much, my head might actually stick out like a giraffe at a circus train car, and I might create more drag on your
No. Yeah, all it will cause is you would just get awesome circulation.
better airflow.
It's aerodynamic.
I see you, Jeremy. Here we go, buddy. So remind me, what class are you in?
SMF. So street modified front wheel drive.
All right. So once Steve starts throwing mods at his, he'll be in the same class as you?
Possibly. Just depends on what mods he throws at it.
Okay. That makes sense.
So we'll see.
Well, you think there'd be a difference between you being supercharged and him being turboed?
Because the turbos, they're more lenient on them for some reason.
Okay. Alright. Go.
Can't go yet. I gotta wait for him to tell me.
Well, I mean, we're preparing ourselves to go.
Right?
Stop being so literal.
I'm literal at everything. Fastest time.
54:04. Way to go, dude. All right. So last turn of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I get to putt along here with Jeremy, who's in Cam C class.
Well guys, we just finished up on that autocross day. It was a lot of fun. These guys got to jump in with a few really fun cars. I jumped in with Jeremy for a ride, and I had the instructor jump in with me a couple times, so it was a lot of fun. I cut, it was like 9 seconds.
Yeah, just under 10 seconds from his first race to his last one, and his times were...
Cut a huge time off.
Yep.
Which is awesome.
Indeed. It was a great afternoon. I had a ton of fun. Miguel and I were just talking. We almost didn't come out today because we were so tired.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I slept 3 hours last night.
Nice.
So, yeah.
Today was well worth it. We had a ton of fun.
Yeah. Got to meet some new people that we'll be sharing with you guys on the channel. From time to time, it sounds like Steve wants to come out to autocross a bit more here in the future. So we'll definitely be seeing those folks out. You'll see more of Jeremy and our buddy Herb, who also has a Mini just like Steve, and look forward to coming out and filming some more.
And you guys keep an eye out on the channel because there's going to be a lot of mini stuff coming. There's going to be some mods coming for it. So hopefully next time we come out to do some autocross, it will be even faster.
We'll see you next time, guys.